I'm sorry, but we're not going to be having a chic assignment this month for April. April Fools! Welcome to the Chic Assignment for April 2022. Hello everyone, Jennifer L. Scott here, and welcome to the Daily Connoisseur. The Chic Assignment for April is here, and I'm so excited to bring you this month's assignment. Before we begin, the Chic Assignment is brought to us by the Chic Society, which is the private channel membership group here on YouTube. Membership is only $1.99 a month. I do one vodcast every Friday, and we go live or do a Zoom call once a month, and we even have a pen pal program. There are also upper tiers available, so I will leave that information for you down below. All right, let's jump into the assignments. Chic assignment number 1 is to listen to Minuetto by Luigi Boccherini. So Rodolfo Luigi Boccherini was an Italian-Spanish composer and a cellist. He was born February 19th, 1743 in Lucca, Italy, and he died May 28, 1805 in Madrid, Spain. So he was famous for influencing the development of the string quartet. So if you enjoy string quartets, you can thank Luigi Boccherini. Now we're going to be listening to his piece Minuetto, and I have a performance for you from the Bavarian Radio Symphony Orchestra. And this is conducted by the late Latvian conductor Maris Janssens, and it's a beautiful performance. This is the song that you know, you've heard it everywhere, and maybe you just didn't know who composed it. That was certainly my case. So we will learn more about Boccherini in the mid-month check-in. Chic assignment number 2 is to explore the artwork of French painter Henri Matisse. So Henri Matisse was a French artist who was born in 1869 and he died in 1954. And he was known for both his use of color as for his fluid and original draughtsmanship. So he was a draughtsman, a printmaker, and a sculptor, but he's primarily known as a painter. And I have always admired Matisse because I love his bold use of color. And I have a very interesting book here that I've always cherished that shows a lot of his paintings and his textiles. So we are going to learn more about Matisse this month, and I'm really excited to learn more about him. I will leave resources down below where you can check out his work for free, and we will learn much more about him and study his artwork in the mid-month check-in. Chic assignment number 3 is to choose one day this month where you have absolutely no plans and nothing going on, but you choose to make yourself chic and stylish on that day. So usually when there's a day where we don't have anything planned, we might not put too much thought into our appearance, but one day this month, I want you to consciously, on a day when you don't have much planned, do something to spruce up your appearance. And I'm not talking about getting all dressed up, but I mean put on a scarf, wear some lipstick, do your hair in a different way, do something to tweak your style a bit, and really enjoy this look, even if you don't plan to see anybody. It does wonders for your creativity and your self-expression. So that's an experiment we're going to try this month. Chic assignment number 4 is a little unusual, but bear with me here, okay? We're diving more into what we've been doing. So we've been journaling our gratitude, journaling our joy, and now this month, we are going to replace one negative thing we tell ourselves with something positive, infused with gratitude. Okay, so hear me out. So there's probably something that you tell yourself that's really negative, like maybe you say, I hate my job, or I hate doing the dishes, I hate folding laundry. Okay, those are mine. So we're going to take that thought that we have each month, that one thought, just choose one, and every time you think it, I want you to stop yourself, notice that you're thinking it, and replace it with a positive affirmation. So you might think, okay, I cannot say that I love doing dishes because I don't, Jennifer. And I hear you, okay, I do hear you on that. But what I'm saying is that you don't have to necessarily say, I love doing dishes, because that's a lie to you. But what you could do is replace it with a gratitude thought. So instead of saying, oh, I hate doing the dishes, I don't want to do these dishes, you could say, I'm so grateful that I have dishes to do. Or I'm so grateful I have a sink and running water to do my dishes with. Or I'm so grateful I have a dishwasher. Okay, so we're going to replace that one negative thought with a thought of gratitude and positivity. I'm just speculating here, but I think it's going to make the actual task itself so much more enjoyable. I cannot wait to hear your findings. So I hope that you join us for the Chic assignment this month and that you thoroughly enjoy it. We will learn more about Matisse and Boccherini in the mid-month check-in. Thank you for joining us here on the Daily Connoisseur. Keep calm and remain classy, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye, everyone. you.